Yo, they tried to get me fucking baseball from the quarter.
Yo. 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 Yo, everything I've been saying for the longest time, nobody ever listens, nobody drops a dime, nobody wants to fucking listen from my fucking mind. They just wanna think that it's crazy, out of control. Yo, I'm back, motherfucker, man, I sold my soul, but I reclaimed it back, cause I never owned it. I don't give a fuck, my style, they can't clone it. Motherfuckers know I'm back, man, I'm in the zone I created, man, I fucking make it inflated. You know I came back, bitch, I fucking created. I related to the same thing that you're trying to say. I don't know, I'm chilling when the sky, when it's fucking gray. Even though it's blue, I don't see the shit true. I see it from a different motherfucking view. What you fucking know about who? What you know about Rue? What you know about motherfucking got a clue? You don't got a clue, man, you never gonna get it. I don't know, I came through just to fucking spit it. Don't you know I'm back, man, I stay committed. And if you don't wanna stay, then you can be ridden. I ain't fucking kidding, man, I'm coming true. I don't give a fuck, you know what I do. Man, I'm freestyling, doing real fun. I don't know, chilling, man, I do it for fun. This ain't a written track, this is just a freestyle spitting back. I don't clip a fuck cause I'm spitting crack. Don't you know I'm back, motherfucker, get the fucking cracker jack out the box and I'm getting the snacks. I don't give a fuck, man, cause I'm spitting the facts. You know I'm back, motherfucker, you sit back and relax. Don't you know I'm back, man, you get laxative cause you fucking saw shit, diarrhea fucking in your brain. Motherfuckers know I'm coming strength over pain. I'm insane, you're not in the same fucking game. I'm lighting the flame and then I'm sparking the world. I don't give a fuck, man, cause I'm getting a pearl at the bottom of the ocean. You know I'm straight smoking, coasting. Motherfucker, know your body roasting. Soon enough, I'ma be calling you bluff. You know you're not tough, motherfucker, man, I had enough of your goddamn shit, your goddamn bull. I came back around and your card I pulled. I'm calling you a bluff, I told you that I had enough. Yo, I'm about to fucking come through rough.
Yo, I'm about to come through like you never knew. Make you never lose, make you never choose, make you wanna do something you never wanna do. I made you do something you really wanna choose, really down to lose. Holy shit, I lose. Oh my god, I lost, but I always chose the one. Never trying to get down, never having fun. Every time I had fun, I did something dumb, like trying to load a gun. Then I popped this son, then I went to fucked up the stupid houses. Kicked the fucking door in and got swept out, son. I got drunk by some stupid niggas. Oh my fucking god, I don't know their name. Niggas wiggle, trigger. They call me the wiggle, stupid nigga, trying to do some stupid shit. What y'all wanna say to this? Every time I spit a fucking verse, I fucking burst the shit. And every time I burst the shit, I fucking really murder the shit. As I spit a stupid little flow, I really not you low. I'm a life goes, and I fucking girl a couple nights in the fucking alley, looking like I fucking knew her name, but I never knew her name. I knew her best friend is that, cause the best friend always needs the best fucking head. And I put her in the shed, put her in the bed, body back her ass, and I put her in the net, put her in the alley. I don't do no verses, all I do is fucking spit verses, and every time I murk, cause I'm spitting, trying to spit a nice verse for y'all to listen. Sit down, we can even dine in the kitchen, we can make a toast with your permission. Rapping with Rico on a track. What you know about that? SOP LBR, that is how we be. This is how it is so far. Yeah.